Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosaza Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Benjamin Dube, so she phansi laphana ku Spirit of Praise team. Hi guys, I'm shocked because mina ngicabanga ukuthi Spirit of Praise sakhe phela uBenjamin Dube. Kukhishwa statement lesithi issued by Dube Connection on behalf of Rev Benjamin Dube sabhalwa nje ukuthi Monday 14 April 2025. After much prayer, reflection, and conversation with key stakeholders, Rev Benjamin Dube wishes to officially announce his departure from the Spirit of Praise collective. This decision was not made lightly, as Spirit of Praise has been an important part of Rev Dube's ministry journey over the years. Through these platforms, countless lives have been touched. Oh yes, worship have been elevated, and the message of Christ have reached multiples both locally and globally. However, as season changes, so do assignments. Rev Dube believes that the time has come to focus fully on the next phase of his calling, which includes expanding his personal ministry, mentoring, and the next generation of gospel artists, and pursuing projects aligned with the unique mandates God has placed in his life. He remains deeply and internally grateful of a Spirit of Praise music group, their Spirit of Praise. Kusho kule statement lesikhishwe laphana ku Instagram siyasho nje ukuthi Nkosi yami lokhu bekungasiyi decision le easy le bekumele ayithathe uBenjamin Dube, but as season changes, so do people, so do tinto lebantu labafisa kudenda empilweni yabo. Bana abaningi they are so heartbroken ngokushiya phansi kwaBenjamin Dube laphana ku Spirit of Praise, because besimjwayele besimade and besimthatha as a leader of a Spirit of Praise. Siyibona nje ime ngaye guys, but sad news ke leti khona kokuthi ushiya phansi laphana ku Spirit of Praise. Tokwenda abantu batibude ukuthi Nkosi yami, then what's next, what's gonna happen next, Nkosi yami. And uyasho ke naye ukuthi leni decision le bemadema kakhulu kokuthi ayithathe, it wasn't an easy decision nakuye. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Do you think uBenjamin Dube bamkwatisile mhlambe khona into lemkhubile kuze aqine ashiya phansi laphana ku Spirit of Praise? Mina nawe siyohlangana kulenye lensha le dark video. I am signing out. Goodbye.